So hello everyone, good afternoon or good evening or good morning whenever you guys are watching. So after a long time I'm going to do a new video on the modification series of the bs6 Apache RTR 200. We are going to actually change the halogen indicator bulbs that are on our Apache 200, and I believe that since we are paying this price, give it like a 1000 or 2000 rupees hike and get us the LED indicators. The reason being that the competition such as like Honor 2.0, they not only get LED indicators but they do also get a hazard switch. So these are some small things that make your experience a lot better of owning a motorcycle, and we all know that Apache 200 is always above the competition. So these are the indicators that I found. So these are like the let me just focus this on. Okay, so these are called as T10 Socket LED bulbs, and these are very difficult to find, especially the indicator bulbs. You can get T10 bulbs for like red, white, green and blue, all those colors that you don't need, but a yellow one is very difficult to find, yellow or amber, whichever. So I have got this, and I will be leaving the description in the I will be leaving the link in the description. So these will be very easy to install, and I will show you guys how you can easily install it. You will be needing some tools like a screwdriver, and that's it. So let me show the request site and then get on the installation and see what this is all about. So for the screwdriver you will be needing this. Let me also focus on this. The shape of it is like a plus shape, and yeah, okay, so it's very challenging to focus. Yeah, so this is a plus shape, or you can say like a star screwdriver, whatever that is called. So this will exactly be over here. So there is a plus shaped, and you need to just unscrew this one and open the entire housing and then replace the valve. So I will be showing you once I place in my phone and shoot the next part. So watch till then.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? Castle. If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Castle. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? Castle. If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I criticized If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love?
So as you guys can see, I have installed LED on the left and the original is on the right. So what I can definitely notice is how brighter it is. It is too bright, and that is not so bright, but that's adequate as well, the halogen one. And the other thing is that the response time, so it instantly turns on and turns off. The other benefit that you would immediately notice is the heating. So this is already warm right now, and this is nothing, so it's totally cool. Plus it also consumes less wattage, so that's an added benefit. So that's why LED bulbs or indicators are definitely better, and I would suggest this is the best way of doing this, since it does not void your warranty, since you are just replacing a bulb, as well as this does not modifies the look. The beauty of the bike remains intact. So I will be doing the same for all the sides, and then we will chat about it. So I have installed all 4 on the sides, so in the rear 2 of them and in the front 2. So yeah, I think it looks good, and also the as you can see guys, the output is really bright, and these indicators are also compatible with Ntorq. So any one of you if are owning the Ntorq, it's compatible with that as well. So let's come to the most important part. What is the cost of this entire all indicators LED setup? So it costed me around 600 rupees. So I know it's quite high considering this is just an bulb, not the entire indicator housing along with everything. But if you see guys, the cheap indicators that you get for around like 200 to 300 rupees, they do not last well, as well as you have to do wiring cut and everything that will void warranty as well. So I think this is a better way of doing the thing. And let me also change you the modes from since I have SimTech hazard light installed. So now all the proper all are actually like blinking properly the way it should have been. In the bulb you won't be able to find these modes working at all. So these are some of the modes that are there, and it's already evening. I wish the sun had gone down, maybe it would have been a better visual treat, but yeah, it's really bright. And as you guys can see, maybe I have to use just on the second mode, that is I think this one. This is alright, and I also prefer this one as it is not make someone blind. So all in all, this is the best way I feel of installing LED indicators. So thanks for watching guys. I'm really sorry for the delay, but as you guys know that the condition outside is very bad, so I'm not traveling anywhere. I wish I also expect my viewers to not travel as well. So stay safe and take care of your family. Thank you guys. Bye bye.